Have you ever been in a situation where your iPhone black screen but was still on? It's ringing but it just won't turn on no matter what. This video provides effective solutions to fix iPhone black screen but still on issue and the various causes of the problem. Here are the major causes of the iPhone screen is black but phone is on the issue. 1. Hardware issues. The iPhone elements are incorrectly assembled. Your battery is used or poor dead. 2. Software problems. Failure of your iOS to update to the latest version. In case of a crashed application or one that mismatches with your existing operating system. Failure of your iOS jailbreaking or makes supplementary system malfunctions. The virus comes with the newest release of your iOS. iPhone runs out of storage space and there is no space for rebooting. If your iPhone screen black but still works, then there are some different techniques that you can use to mend the problem. Fix 1. Charge iPhone. Fix 2. Contact Apple Store. Fix 3. Force restart the device. Fix 4. Close Troublesome App. A problematic application may instigate your screen to go dark. Step 1. Close the application. Step 2. Open the App Store. Navigate to the bottom and select Updates. Then, proceed to click the Update button located next to the app you wish to update. To update all apps that require updating, simply click on the Update All button. Step 3. Reboot your iOS device. Fix 5. Update iPhone with iTunes. Step 1. Join your iPhone using a Lightning cable to the PC. Open the newest iTunes, and then wait for it to detect the device. Step 2. When iTunes detects the iPhone, select the summary key, then dial Backup Now option to create the backup of your device data. Step 3. Select Check for Update and update your phone to the current iOS 16 without losing data. Step 4. If your device fails to update, dial Restore iPhone, which will delete all your data. However, once done, you can reinstate your backup data from iTunes. Fix 6. Go for DFU Restore. Step 1. Enter DFU mode on your iPhone. Step 2. Reboot the computer and begin afresh. Link your iPhone to your laptop via a Lightning cable. Step 3. Once your iPhone is successfully detected in DFU mode by iTunes and a notification appears on your computer, click OK and select Restore to initiate the restoration process for your iPhone in DFU mode. After the restoration is complete, your iPhone will return to normal functionality.